Hello crafty friends, today I want to share with you guys my two albums that I have created. They are Halloween albums and two explosion boxes that I also created for Halloween. And I was waiting for my Michaels to have the red collection paper pad called Mexican Festival, but they don't have it. And they have like limited papers in stock. Probably they'll have it, I don't know when, but I asked for it and they said that they don't have it, and they just got this in. And I remember seeing this from you ladies like a long time ago, and they just have this in, but I'll wait and see if that paper pad ever comes. But for now, I want to share with you guys my Halloween albums, and one of them is this one. I love the color purple, how it is, everything. And I use this is from Target, and I use a punch to put the word boo and some flowers. And this spider is from Dollar Tree. I bought it last year. And this spiders and this web, I bought it from Michaels last year ago too. This is the spine and this is the back, and I use the Recollections Midnight Magic Halloween paper pad. And I know this is from last year or 2 years ago, and I finished the whole paper pad, and I'm really glad I did. And it's just a simple album, purple and black, and I put this on top, and picture can go there. And this is the pages. I did not embellish them because the papers are pretty by itself. And yeah, I really love how this came out. Really simple, but I love how I did the front cover. And I have a explosion box for that. And oops, this is the explosion box. I'm getting better at my boxes. And I put these spiders, and this I bought at Walmart, and this at Target. These tiny spiders too, I bought them at Walmart. It opens up like this, and there's nothing in the middle, but it has right here Happy Halloween, the spider, and here like that. This is the bottom, and then I cover it like this. This is how it looks. And I also did this one, and this is really nice too. I love how I did the front cover. I did tombstone, and I put interview there. I put the skeleton, a spider, bats in the corner, this sticker, and right here the word spooky. And this I used the paper collection from Recollections called Midnight Magic. And this it was from last year. Here's the front cover, the spine. This is the back. And now I'm gonna show you the inside. Again, really simple, not too much embellishments. This one, all of them have a flip, and this is a waterfall, tiny waterfall. up like this. The owl right here. You can put tags or paper. It's a pocket. And this is the back. And yeah, again, like I said, not too many embellishments, but I love how this came out too. And this is the front cover, and I'm loving how I'm doing the front covers of my mini albums. I'm doing a fall autumn album, but I'm not done with it, and I'm gonna show you the explosion box for that one. And this is the explosion box, and you open it, and I put a skeleton there with this tiny spiders that I found at Walmart. And here's how it looks, and then I just cover it, and that's how they look. And hope you guys have liked them. I really love how they came out. Like I said, I'm making albums and projects and everything that I don't know if I'm gonna gift them or sell them with friends and family in my area. But yeah, hope you guys like it, and thank you all for watching. Bye.